everybody. Don't know what I'm doing here. I'll explain more tomorrow, but basically right now I do need to go and eat. I'm gonna go to an Italian restaurant and eat hopefully a delicious dinner. I'm now in the North End, which apparently is Little Italy. I'm at this Italian restaurant. Hello. I didn't really do much last night. I just went to go out and eat, and I went to this really cute little Italian restaurant. I reserved a table for one, and I had this vegan ravioli, which was really yummy, with a side of spinach and of course a glass of red wine. That was my solo dining experience. My friend is here, my friend Thais from Brazil. She just got here today, so she's taking a shower now, and we're gonna go explore. Welcome to Boston. And good news is Thais just went vegetarian, so I think we're gonna go and enjoy lots of veggie food. So that makes me really excited because last time I saw her, she was not vegetarian, okay? She made me go to a steakhouse. You know what I'm saying? So today we're gonna probably eat a lot of good food. Yo. What up? Thais here. Yay. We're gonna go to Buy Chloe. At some point here, we're gonna buy a Harvard shirt like everyone else. We're gonna pretend that we're Harvard students. We are. That's part of the plan. But then it's like an awkward conversation when you're like, when someone's like, did you go to Harvard? You're like, I said, yes, you didn't? Everyone does. Alright, we just got to Buy Chloe. I think this is Seaport area. I'm not really sure. But they gave us these cookies because it's our first time here. And the guy at the counter was so nice. Yeah, we're gonna share everything, so I'm really excited. The cookie is so soft. Thais, are you excited to eat Buy Chloe?
Yes, super excited.
I kind of want to try this cookie.
You should have passed with my UK card.
That's pretty good. It's really soft.
2 glasses of red wine. This one's some kind of special. It's like a Thanksgiving special. And then a large mac and cheese, which I think I'm most excited about. And then what was this one?
Meatball.
Oh yeah, pesto meatball. Ooh. Looks amazing. And then I got a couple dips. This is the beet ketchup. And that one is chipotle aioli.
Alright, so the food was very good. The best thing was
The meatballs. And the cookies. The cookies were good.
the cookies that they gave us were so good. And apparently it's like World Vegan Day or something, which I need to Google this. I don't know if it is, but that's why they gave us the free cookies. And now the guy, the really nice guy,
a different theory.
now the really nice guy behind the counter is giving us a free cupcake. So sweet. Even though we're really full and we said no at first, but you know, I can't say no too many times. You know what I'm saying?
What's your theory? My theory is they know Rose from Cheap Lazy Vegan and they're giving her cookies so she'll promote cupcakes so she'll promote the place. But it's an actual real nice place. So
It's a nice place.
come to Chloe's.
I don't think they need my promotion. I think they're pretty famous. They have multiple locations. It's a chain. They started in New York, I believe. I could be wrong. Anyway, we're getting some cupcakes. So here's the cupcake. We're too full, so we're gonna actually pack this to go. I just thought I'd show you before we ruin it in the bag. Yummy. Boston, Boston, Boston. All right, Thais, what do we think about Boston so far?
There's nothing to see.
No, I'm sure we'll find something to do. We're just walking around in the downtown area.
It's amazing. We want to live here forever.
Thais taking a picture to prove that she went to Boston. Oh, this is the main Quincy Market. Okay. Cute. I don't know where I am, but it looks pretty nice. Hi, guys. Woo! How do you feel, Thais?
Great now.
Great. We're drinking wine, finally. There's like vegan stuff everywhere and it makes me very happy. So we're gonna get like a sandwich from this place. So this is the sandwich place.
Best moment. Are we satisfied?
The next day.
Here we are. I'm f***ing starving. So this is where everyone recommended me to go. So here I am. Woo. I'm so hungry. I actually feel like I'm gonna die. Cool. This is so cute. I know, me too. I'm so hungry. Thank you. So everything is vegetarian and everything can be made vegan. So how am I supposed to make a decision with a menu like this? Please, how do I make decisions? Help. So exciting. It's so cute here. So it was really hard to make a decision, but we ended up getting a few things to share. So we got the, what did we get? Some kind of mac and cheese stack. Basically, it's like a burger. Can you describe that burger for me?
It is amazing, probably. Because it unites mac and cheese, which is one of the best things ever made.
In a waffle.
Yes, also one of the best things ever made. With a burger. A chicken burger in our case. We chose chicken instead of burger.
Not real chicken.
Yeah, not real chicken.
And we got matzo sticks, vegan matzo sticks, and buffalo chicken tenders.
And also French fries.
Oh, French fries. We're putting a lot of good things in our body first thing in the morning.
5,000 calories.
5,000 calorie challenge. This is also bottomless coffee, which makes me very happy. Ooh, these are the chicken tenders with vegan blue cheese and the vegan matzo sticks. Oh my god, is this real? Is this real life? Okay, so here's the main star. I can't remember what it's called, but and I don't even know how we're gonna eat this. How are we gonna eat this, Thais? Oh my gosh, this looks ridiculous. Woo! How do we feel?
Guys.
Thais wants to die.
I do. I feel very bad, to be honest. I have to tell you this.
It was
If you
a bit
guys
greasy.
Yeah, if you guys decide to come here, try to make healthier choices.
Don't order every single thing on the menu that is like fried.
The mac and cheese stack, or whatever it was called.
The sandwich thing, the burger.
Yeah, not great. Because the
Thais
waffle,
did not like it. I liked it, but it wasn't the best thing.
no, the waffle didn't taste like mac and cheese. Everything
Yeah.
else was fine.
Yes.
So I mean, why calories? That
What's
you're
the
not
point
gonna-
of the calories?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. It's very confusing. It's a very
Yeah.
confusing burger. But the chicken, buffalo chicken fingers were good.
Yeah, the fries were really
Yeah,
good.
matzo sticks were pretty good.
French fries good.
Thais really just liked the French fries.
And the sparkling water.
Next time we're just gonna get fries and sparkling water, and Thais will be happy. Look how pretty the colors are. We just stopped to appreciate the colors. Harvard, 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 Harvard. What is it, Thais? Where are we? Harvard.
Hey guys,
What's happening?
it's me again.
So we decided to go to an Italian restaurant.
Because Little Italy's here.
Yes. So this is where all the good Italian restaurants are. We're gonna eat hopefully at a very good pizzeria. I want some pizza.
Regina.
Was it Regina? Regina Pizzeria.
Yes.
Okay. And then we're gonna get wasted.
Yes.
So we've discovered this area looks very much like a Hollywood movie set. It's very cute. Totally, it looks like a Warner Brothers movie set. These buildings are quite old looking, just like Warner Brothers Studios. I believe that is the line. So clearly, I picked a very popular place. Oh my god. Is this for reals?
That was Wendy.
Oh, okay, guys, this is not happening. Now I'm really sad.
It must be really good.
It must be so good.
One eternity later.
Oh my god. Here we are, Thais. We made it.
We made it.
Right beside the men's bathroom. Great. Wonderful.
But at least it's like a private place.
Yes.
We're gonna have our wine and take our time.
Oh my god, we're gonna take our sweet ass time. It's actually kind of cute. So apparently this is the best pizza in Boston, so let us be the judge. Since we both lived in Italy, did we not? We did. Not to sound pretentious or anything, but you know. Although Milan didn't really have the best pizza, to be honest, but yeah, let's try this out. What is this bottle?
What is this glasses?
What is this glass? Cheers.
You do not look impressed. It's not very waste friendly, is it? They just give you plastic everything and just, I don't know why. I guess they don't want to do dishes.
Yes.
Still, I've realized Thais is matching the background.
Hi guys, again, it's me. If you're single and gay, please come.
Oh my god.
I'm joking, guys.
She has a girlfriend.
I do.
It's me. Just kidding. We're still waiting for pizza. I'm getting wasted. So it looks very oniony, but here's our pizza.
Just to be clear, guys.
I hope it's good.
If you're an Italian follower, don't come. I'm warning you in advance.
Maybe it's good.
So you don't get.
What are your thoughts, Thais? Is it worth the hour wait? No. It's very mediocre.
If you're not Italian, don't come here, but to be fair, if you like pizza at all.
I don't know why this is so popular. Maybe we got the wrong one, but I don't know. I feel like if it's a good place, it should all be good. I don't know. It's very hard to understand why this pizza is considered the best in Boston because, I mean, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, but it just was not good.
No, it was terrible, to be fair. Don't waste your time, guys.
We've been complaining for about 2 hours.
Yeah, all we did since we got here was food.
Maybe that's our problem. I'm just genuinely confused.
We might have come to the wrong place, guys. It's the only explanation.
We may have just waited in the wrong line. Are you being rude?
Maybe. We're
Thais
grumpy.
is being rude again.
We're grumpy.
We need coffee.
We're not gonna complain today. Today is gonna be complaint.
We've already...
No.
Oh my god, should we try?
Yeah, that's
Is this our challenge?
every time we want to do something, say something negative, we turn into something positive.
Yes, it'll be like positive
Saturday.
Saturdays.
This is where we're going. So hungry.
Positive Saturday starts now.
It already started.
It already started. We're about to go to this place called Pavement Coffee House. This place apparently has some vegan bagels and stuff like that, and just coffee, which is what I need at this very moment, and I think I see it on the right side. Yay, I'm so hungry. Pavement Coffee House. Oh my god, it's so busy. Hopefully we can find a seat. You think we can find a seat? Oh my god, we got a seat. There's actually a lot for me to get. You spilled my coffee first thing in the morning. Just getting some coffee in me. So apparently the positive thinking thing works well because we got this one seat that was left in the house. It looks like this place has tons of vegan options. They've got like some vegan pastries here. Oh, look at you. You're so Italian and European. It's got an espresso. I love espresso. What were you saying?
Ashley, that they call me.
So Thais was like, by the way, if they call me Ashley, that's my name. Ashley is her Starbucks name. But Ashley, you're so not an Ashley. Coffee time! Alright, this is my vegan tequila. Here's Ashley's breakfast. It's called Killer Tofu. We're done breakfast. Are you happy?
Yes.
Now what, Thais?
Breakfast was better than pizza yesterday, so that's good. I think it has a lot to do with our positive Saturday.
Yes, but it's so cute here. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the leaves, Thais? This might be my favorite area. What do you think, Thais?
I think you're like being fancy. You didn't like Cheeto ghetto area, but you like it.
Are you being positive? Yes. Oh my god, guys, I think she's abandoning positive Saturdays. I need to take a picture because it's positive Saturday and I'm still in the positive mood.
Come on, let's go.
But Thais is ruining it. The time is 12:51. We have abandoned positive Saturday. Look how much nicer the world looks when the sun is out and the sky is blue. Alright, so we are now at My Thai Vegan Cafe. And we just finally made a decision. Oh my god, do they look good?
Yes.
Do you want more? Thais thinks I like to order everything on the menu, which I do. How is it, Thais? I don't understand what's inside. I also got tom yum soup, one of my favorite soups ever. Yummy.
Thais, can you eat all this?
Not a chance.
I don't even know what I got, but this looks good. I think there's veggie duck in there. Holy crap. That is a huge portion. Underneath here is a veggie duck. Oh my god, what in the world? So this veggie duck tastes very meaty. It's probably
And the chicken also tastes like chicken.
yeah.
But this is really impressive.
Like it's like crispy on the outside and very meaty, and it even kind of looks like duck, which is kind of creepy. Like that looks like meat. That is really creepy. Tom yum soup I think is just okay. This is pretty good, but not like amazing. But I really like this. What do you think about your dish?
It's really good.
Lots of veggies. I really like the portions. It's huge.
Pizza yesterday.
We're impressed. Positive Saturdays, and we're not even faking it. Oh my gosh. This is the damage done. We could not finish everything, but I did very well.
I didn't.
Thais still did pretty well for you.
I eat less
Thais
than
is a
Rose.
very small person and eats very little compared to me. I eat double Thais.
But I had a cookie too, in my defense.
Thais also had a cookie, yes, to be fair.
Cheers.